Welcome to an overview of Zoeked, the CAD Analytics engine for AutoCAD and Autodesk Inventor. You can learn more about Zoeked by reviewing the wealth of information on Zoeked.com. You can sign up for our newsletter and we'll even send you a sample report so you can see for yourself the types of detailed reporting Zoeked provides. We designed Zoeked with the CAD administrator in mind. You can install Zoeked on as many CAD machines as you'd like, and it will begin to gather information on your group's license usage, hardware issues, and even training needs. Amazon Cloud services are used for all Zoeked report processing, so it's available anytime you'd like to access it and begin improving your CAD group. Once you're signed up for your Zoeked account, you'll receive information about your Zoeked reports site so you can log in and access your data. You will have your own personalized dashboard containing a single snapshot of your entire user group. You'll be able to view Inventor data on which modules of Inventor each of your users spends time in, and this really helps to understand the hardware demand and training needs. All CAD license usage is compiled to show the software loads at given times and dates so you can get a true snapshot of all the usage in one view, helping you make critical decisions on subscription renewals. Every single CAD session can be sorted and analyzed so you can gain an understanding of user needs. You can filter by any command or compile a top 10 list of most used commands, helping you make critical decisions like keeping custom routines or adding third-party apps. All system crashes are reported for each user machine so you can debug any issue that may arise for any user in your group. Whatever the cause, you can trace down to the machine details and what may have caused the crash. Zoeked maintains all usage across your group so you can obtain efficiency metrics and help your users by adjusting hardware, configuring software, or even recommending training courses broken down to specific chapters of the course. Every single user is detailed so you can make a plan tailored to each person. All used commands can be filtered and sorted so you can find trends that lead to automation opportunities or for third-party apps to help with repetitive functions. Keep track of all hardware settings to ensure all users have the same setup, and if not, what are the differences in the group? The Zoeked reporting dashboard can assist you in making critical decisions for your CAD spend, including software renewals, hardware upgrades, and training. Finally, you can take Zoeked with you. Now available for iPhone and Android, you can look up any report directly from your smartphone or tablet. Having the ability to sit with your users and access the information in real time is a great way to help debug issues and get them up and running quick and easy.